Is it possible to use my phone as a walkie-talkie without an internet connection?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring an interesting question. Is it possible to use your phone as a walkie-talkie without an internet connection? Walkie-talkies have been widely used for communication in various scenarios, such as outdoor adventures, events, and emergency situations. Let's dive in and find out the answer.
Walkie-talkie apps.
Walkie-talkie apps have become increasingly popular, allowing users to communicate with each other over the internet using their smartphones. These apps simulate the functionality of traditional walkie-talkies, but they rely on an active internet connection. So, if you're looking to use your phone as a walkie-talkie without the internet, these apps might not be the solution you're seeking.
Bluetooth walkie-talkies.
Now, let's talk about an alternative option: Bluetooth walkie-talkies. Bluetooth-enabled walkie-talkies establish a direct connection between devices using Bluetooth technology, eliminating the need for an internet connection. This means that you can communicate with other people in close proximity without relying on Wi-Fi or cellular data. Bluetooth walkie-talkie apps, available for both Android and iOS devices, allow you to connect your phone to a Bluetooth walkie-talkie device and use your smartphone as a microphone and speaker. This enables you to communicate with others using the walkie-talkie device, which can be useful in situations where you don't have access to cellular networks or Wi-Fi.
Limitations and considerations.
While using your phone as a walkie-talkie through Bluetooth has its advantages, there are some limitations to keep in mind. The range of Bluetooth communication is typically limited to around 30 feet, 10 meters, depending on the devices involved. Therefore, you'll need to stay within close proximity to the person you want to communicate with. Another important consideration is the battery life of your phone. Using your phone as a walkie-talkie can drain the battery faster, especially if you're transmitting and receiving messages frequently. It's essential to ensure you have sufficient battery life or access to a power source when relying on your phone as a walkie-talkie in critical situations. To sum it up, while walkie-talkie apps require an internet connection, you can use your phone as a walkie-talkie without an internet connection by leveraging Bluetooth technology. Bluetooth walkie-talkie apps allow you to connect your phone to a Bluetooth-enabled walkie-talkie device, providing a direct communication channel within a limited range. Just remember the limitations, such as the range of Bluetooth communication and the impact on your phone's battery life. We hope this video has shed some light on using your phone as a walkie-talkie without the internet. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.